guys, what's up and welcome back. So for today's video I have a huge Lululemon haul. It looks like it's a lot more than what it actually is because they kept breaking it up and sending it in different packages, but I don't want this intro to be too long, so if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I ordered a couple of things from the We Made Too Much section. So this is one of those bags right here, and then a couple other items are in one of these packages. I'm really sad about this order because the main reason that I placed this order was because I wanted the All Yours cropped wild mint color, and it kept going in and out of stock, and when I got in there to order it, it literally accepted these two, and then I got an email saying that they canceled the All Yours crop, so I still never got it, but it is what it is. So these right here, and I do have everything. I'm trying everything on, so there will be overhead clips. But these right here are the Aligns, and these are the 25-inch. I don't typically like the 25-inch. I'm only 5'3", but I don't like where the 5-inch sit on my ankle because I'm pretty sure my legs are like the longest part of my body. These are the color Delicate Mint, and these are in a size 2 because that's what I wear. In Aligns, I can wear a size 0 and a 4, but a 4 is a little bit looser than I like. A 2 is my perfect true size. But my husband likes them as leggings, but I actually initially bought these with the intent to have them cut into 4-inch shorts or have them hemmed into 4-inch shorts, but I really like them, but I don't like the fact that they're double lined. I really didn't think that that would bother me that bad, but in the leggings, it kind of feels like you're wearing like 3 pairs of leggings over each other, so it's a little bit annoying, but I think this would be really cute as a winter outfit. I want to see if I can find the Define jacket in Delicate Mint. And then this is the Align tank. I'm pretty sure this is a cropped, but it doesn't say on the bag, but I got this in a size 2, and I love this. I think that it fits perfect. Oh, it's in the color Java. This I thought was a really great steal on the We Made Too Much, and I really like this color, and I do have the matching leggings to these, so I thought that it was cute, and I definitely want more of these. This is an item that I feel like is worth the hype. Okay, now this order I may be returning because I'm just not like super thrilled with it, and so a couple of the items, not the whole order, but the first thing is these are the Speed Up High Rise 2.5-inch in a size 2 in electric turquoise, and I was really excited about these when these launched. I believe it was last Tuesday. I'm filming this on Monday, so there will be a new drop in the morning, but I ordered these on Tuesday last week. I think it was July 5th, and they sold out immediately, so I was really happy to get my hands on them. But I don't know, the Hottie Hots and the Align shorts are my favorite, and these are just not, I don't know, I'm not really feeling these, so I think I'm gonna return them because there's no point in keeping them just to have them if I know like I'm never gonna wear them. These are the 6-inch Align shorts in a size 2 in the color Poolside, and I absolutely love these. I wish that they were a 4-inch, but I can kind of hike them up a little bit to be a little bit shorter, so but I love this color, and I don't typically like this color, so but when I kept seeing it everywhere, I had to get it. So this one I'm probably going to return to just because it's not, it's a little bit too tight. It's a size 2 because I wasn't sure what size to get, but this is the Like a Cloud bra in the color Strawberry Milkshake, and this is my favorite color by far that Lulu has ever done. But you can see in the try on, it fits me okay, and it doesn't like look bad or anything. It's a little bit tight, and trying to get it, because this part right here doesn't budge. Like this part is stretchy, but this part's not. So trying to get it over my head and like get it off is just uncomfortable, and I know that I will not want to reach for this because I won't want to have to deal with that every single time. So I'm either going to exchange this or just return it and get it a different time because I just quite frankly don't care. I have a ton of Skims bralettes that I can reach for, so okay, this bag, this one is one I'm kind of on the fence about, so y'all let me know in the comments, but I was really excited about this. This is the Flowy Bra in a size, I did size up to a 4 in this because it's all that was in stock. I think I'm going to keep this just for the simple fact of I like the vibe of the outfit, and I kind of want to wear, you'll see I tried this on with the Align shorts. I want to wear either my black, like the white all yours crop over it, or like, I don't know, like a white tank top or something, because I think this blue bra showing through a white shirt with the matching Align shorts is just a vibe. So I like this, but it's not my favorite. I think I might actually like it better if I take the padding out, but we'll have to see. So, but I did get this in a size 4. Okay, and these I ordered a while ago. I think I ordered these like 3 weeks ago maybe, but when I saw these drop, I ordered them immediately. This is random, but I got a black hair tie because I needed a new hair tie. I'm constantly stretching them out, so I figured I'd go ahead and get this. But these are the Align 4-inch raspberry cream in a size 2. Now these are, or no, I got these in a size 4 because they were double lined, but I could have done a 2. They actually feel bigger because I sized up and because they're double lined. So I wish that I had have just gone true to size and gotten my 2, but it's okay. They still work. They're still cute, and I love them. And once again, you can't go wrong with anything Align material. Right here, this I got a markdown, so I can't return it, but I'm not totally mad at it. I think this was the only size they had left when I ordered. I'm not 100% sure, but I did get the Like a Cloud bra on We Made Too Much, so I got it on sale at least in a size 2 in raspberry cream to go with the shorts. And then I also have the half zip in raspberry cream, so I'd like to find the Align tank to go with those, and I also want the Hottie Hots in this color, but I did get that to go with that because I thought it was just too cute. These are probably one of my favorite thing out of everything that I ordered. These are just the 2.5 low-rise Hottie Hots in a size 4. I could wear a 2 and a 4 in the Hottie Hots, so I got these. But these are just plain black because I just wanted a basic black pair. I'm actually right now wearing my Hottie Hot 4-inch in a size 4. These are like the ones with like the little black logos all over them, and I wear these all the stinking time. So I love wearing these to just throw on with a t-shirt or tank top or whatever. Last thing in this bag is, this is the All Yours crop tee in a size 0. I have this in a 2 and a 0, and you'll see the way that this fits. It's really not much different than the 2. I haven't tried on the 2. Y'all haven't seen the 2 on me. It's just a little bit longer, but I don't know. I really like this, and I was thinking about wearing this with like the blue Flowy Bra, or my white one with the blue Flowy Bra and the poolside Align shorts. And I'm going to be getting some of their Blissful running shoes. So I have this whole outfit in my head, and I just think it's going to be really cute. So to wrap this up, this is the last thing that I got, and this is the main thing that struck me to start doing all this. I'm so excited about this. Scuba half zip in the color Wild Mint, and I am absolutely, Hottie Hots and the Scubas are probably my 2 favorite items from Lulu, honestly, if I had to pick. And then it would be the Aligns, and then it would be the All Yours, if you want to go down a scale. But 2 items that I feel like are definitely worth the price to me from Lulu are Hottie Hots and Scubas. I love this so much. I wanted to get this in Strawberry Milkshake, and I missed it. Yes, I love this so much, and I will be probably living in these in the wintertime because they're absolutely perfect. And also, if you didn't know this, which I'm pretty sure everybody and their mother does, this can pull off and double as a hair tie if you don't have one. So it's an emergency hair tie. That brings me to the end of this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you will subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to go follow me on Poshmark and Instagram and TikTok. I will have all that stuff listed down below. And yeah, I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you are, and I will talk to you on my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.